Hello. Welcome back, everyone.
Hi, everyone. We are so happy you are here today.
I am Johan, and this is my friend.
I am Hazel. Nice to meet you all.
Today is a very special day. We have something really useful for you.
Yes, today we are going to talk about powerful daily sentences.
Powerful daily sentences. Yes, these are sentences you can use every single day.
Every single day. I love that.
These sentences are simple, they are short, and they are very useful.
If you are a beginner, don't worry. We will go slowly.
We will repeat everything so you can follow easily.
Just relax, listen, and enjoy. Johan, before we start, if you are new here, welcome to our channel.
Before we start, if you are new here, welcome to our channel.
Please like this video. It really helps us a lot.
And subscribe so you never miss our English lessons.
Okay, are you ready?
Let's go. Okay, Hazel. Let's start with the morning sentences.
Oh yes, morning sentences are so important.
Every day starts with the morning, right?
Yes, Johan. Every day starts with the morning. That is correct.
So the first sentence. Are you ready, everyone? Listen carefully.
Listen slowly.
The first sentence is, Good morning. How are you?
Good morning, how are you?
Say it again. Good morning. How are you?
This is a very simple sentence, but it is very powerful.
Yes. When you see someone in the morning, what do you say?
You say, good morning, how are you? And what is the answer? Johan, how are you this morning?
I am fine. Thank you. And you?
I am very well, thank you.
See, that is the answer. I am fine. Thank you.
Or you can say, I am very well, thank you.
Good. Now, the next morning sentence.
Yes, the next one is I just woke up.
I just woke up.
This means I was sleeping, and now I am awake.
Next sentence. I need some coffee.
Oh, this one is my favorite.
I know. Hazel loves coffee.
I really do. Every morning I need some coffee.
I need some coffee. This sentence is very natural.
Yes, use the word you need. I need some underscore.
I need some coffee. I need some tea. I need some juice.
All correct. All very natural English.
Okay. Now let's talk about sentences for your day.
These are sentences you use when your day begins.
When you go to work, when you go to school, when you meet people.
The first one, listen carefully. I am on my way.
I am on my way.
This means I am coming. I am not here yet, but I am coming.
For example, your friend is waiting for you. They send you a message. They say, Where are you?
And you say,
Don't worry, I am on my way. I will be there soon.
Now next sentence. This one is very important.
What is it?
Can you help me, please?
Oh, yes, this is so important. When you need help, don't be shy, just say, Can you help me, please?
The word please is very important.
And the answer, if someone says, Can you help me, please? What do you say?
You say, of course.
Okay, now, food time.
Oh yes, my second favorite topic after coffee.
Food sentences, very important for daily life.
Yes, every day we eat. So every day we use these sentences.
The first one, I am hungry.
I am hungry.
When your stomach says, Hey, give me food, you say,
Haha, I am hungry.
and the opposite, I am full.
I am full. This means I ate enough. I don't need more food.
That was delicious. That is our next sentence.
That was delicious. This means the food was very, very good.
When you eat something amazing, you say,
That was delicious.
now, what if you want to order food at a restaurant?
Oh, great question. The sentence is, Can I have the menu, please?
Can I have the menu, please?
I would like to order, please.
These are very polite sentences, very natural in a restaurant.
And don't forget, after eating, say thank you.
Yes, thank you. Everything was wonderful.
Thank you. Everything was wonderful. So polite, so friendly.
Now, let's talk about sentences for conversations.
Yes, when you talk with people, what do you say?
These sentences help you speak more naturally.
The first one I understand.
This means, I know what you mean. I got it. When someone explains something, you say, I understand.
Or you can say, I see.
Now, what if you don't understand?
Oh, very important.
Don't be shy, just say, sorry, I don't understand.
Yes, it is okay to ask again.
Now, the next sentence. That is a good idea.
Oh, I love this one.
That is a good idea when someone says something smart.
You say, that is a good idea.
Now, this part is my favorite.
What part?
Positive sentences. Sentences that make people feel good.
Oh yes, I love this part too.
The first one, you are doing great.
You are doing great.
This means you are doing very well. Keep going.
When you want to encourage someone, say, you are doing great.
And to our listeners right now, you are doing great.
Yes, you are listening, you are learning, you are doing great.
Say it with us. You are doing great.
Next, don't give up.
Don't give up. 3 small words. Very powerful.
Beautiful, and you can do it.
You can do it.
Yes, we believe in you. You can do it.
You can do it. So positive. So encouraging. Now, the end of the day. Evening sentences.
Yes, when the day is finishing.
The first one. I had a good day today.
I had a good day today.
This is a very natural sentence. Very common.
When someone asks, how was your day? You can say, or it was a busy day.
It was a busy day when you worked a lot.
It was a long day when you were very tired.
It was a great day when everything was wonderful.
All very natural sentences.
Now, bedtime, the last sentences of the day.
Good night.
Good night, simple and sweet.
And sleep well.
And the last one, see you tomorrow.
Good night. Sleep well. See you tomorrow.
Okay, everyone, we are at the end of today's lesson.
Can you believe it? So many sentences. So much English.
You did so well today. Really.
We are so proud of you for listening all the way to the end.
Let's say it together. You are doing great.
You are doing great. And we mean it.
Now, before you go, we have a question for you.
Yes, a fun question.
Today we talked about food sentences. We said, that was delicious.
So our question for you is,
What is your favorite meal? What food makes you say, that was delicious?
tell us in the comments. We want to know.
Is it rice? Is it pasta? Is it soup? Is it something special from your country?
Write it below. We read every comment.
And if you enjoyed today's lesson,
Please give us a thumbs up
it really helps our channel grow.
and subscribe if you have not already.
Click that bell too, so you get our new videos.
We make new English lessons every week.
Simple, slow, friendly, just like today.
We will see you in the next video.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye bye. Take care.